Welcome to Vedavyasa Academy. Here we are going to discuss about trigonometry, periodicity and extreme values in this session. So here what is periodic function? A real function f a to r is said to be a periodic function if there exists a positive real number p such that f of x plus p is equal to f of x. f of x plus p is equal to f of x. For all x belongs to a least value of p is known as the fundamental period of f. The period of f of ax plus b is p by mod a. You observe here the any number p, any positive real number p, f of x plus p is equal to f of x. Then we say f of x period is f of x period is p. Okay, all of you. F of x period is p. So suppose the function is in the form of ax plus b. This period is p. Then f of ax plus b period is, that is p by mod a. We write as p by mod a like this. Some of the important results that are, if f is a function with fundamental period p, if f is a function with fundamental period p, then minus f comma 1 by f are also periodic with period p. Okay, all of you. So a constant function is a periodic but does not have a fundamental period. A constant function is a periodic. A constant function is a periodic but does not have a fundamental period. Okay, all of you. Here trigonometry, periodicity and extreme values. EAMCET JEE Mains concepts. These are very important. Here we were some of the important results in trigonometry, periodicity and extreme values. Periods. Here periods of trigonometric functions are given below. First, sin of ax plus b period 2 pi by mod a, cos of ax plus b period 2 pi by mod a, tan of ax plus b period pi by mod a, cot of ax plus b period pi by mod a, sec of ax plus b period 2 pi by mod a, cosec of ax plus b period 2 pi by mod a, sec of ax plus b period 2 pi by mod a. But what is sin x period? Sin x period is 2 pi. Cos x period also 2 pi, tan x period also pi, cot x period pi, cosecant x period 2 pi, secant x period pi. These are the periods of trigonometric functions. These are the periods of trigonometric functions. Okay, all of different result. Period of set x is 1, where set x denotes the functional part. Period of set x is 1, where set x is the functional part. Standard result. Period of mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x, mod cot x, mod sec x, mod cosecant x is pi. Here period of mod sin x, mod cos x, mod tan x, mod cot x, mod sec x, mod cosecant x is pi. That means the period of mod of all trigonometric ratios is pi. Period of mod sec x plus mod cos x, mod tan x plus mod cot x is equal to what? Pi by 2. The period of mod of sin x plus cos x, mod of sin x minus cos x is pi. Period of mod of tan x plus cot x, mod of tan x minus cot x is pi by 2. These are the important results in trigonometric periodicity. If n belongs to z plus, the period of sin 2 power n x plus cos 2 power n x, comma sec 2 power n x plus cosec 2 power n x, tan 2 power n x plus cot 2 power n x is pi by 2. Sixth one, the period of a into sec power 2 nx plus b into cos power 2 mx, comma a into sec power 2 nx plus b into cos power 2 mx, a into tan power 2 nx plus b into cos power 2 mx is pi. N comma m belongs to z plus, that is positive integers. Okay, all of maximum and minimum values. Minimum value of sin x is -1, maximum value of sin x is +1. So range of sin x is closed interval -1, 1. Minimum value of cos x is -1, maximum value of cos x is +1. Range of cos x is -1 to 1. So here ax plus ax, a into cos x plus b into sin x plus c. Minimum value of a cos x plus b sin x plus c is c minus root over a square plus b square. Maximum value of a cos x plus b sin x plus c is c plus root over a square plus b square. So range of a cos x plus b sin x plus c is closed interval c minus root over a square plus b square, c plus root over a square plus b square. Okay, all of it. Minimum value of a square sin square theta plus b square cosecant square theta, a square cos square theta plus b square secant square theta, a square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta is 2ab. The minimum value of these functions is, minimum value of these functions is 2ab. This is the. Dear viewers, we have the problem. If f of x is a periodic function with the period t, then it can also have the period lambda t. Lambda belongs to n. 2 lambda t, lambda belongs to n, natural number set. 2 lambda minus 1 t, lambda belongs to n, all above. So here t, period t, then it can also have the period. So this one, this one, this one, all the above are correct answers. Okay, all of it. Viewers, we have the problem. If f of x plus k plus f of x is equal to 0 for all x belongs to r and k belongs to r plus, then the period of f of x is. These are the options are given. So here you observe we have given this one, f of x plus k plus f of x is equal to 0. So we know the formula for period. F of x plus p is equal to f of x, then period of f of x is p. This is the formula. So you can write this as here f of x plus 2k plus f of x plus k equal to 0. From this we have to write f of x plus k is equal to minus f of x. Okay, all of it. But here f of x plus 2k is equal to minus f of x plus k. But what is f of x plus k? That is f of x plus 2k is equal to minus f of x is equal to f of x. So we say that 2x is the period of f of x. 2x is the period of 2k is the period of f of x. Then we say this is option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem. If G is a periodic, then F circle G will always be periodic. F circle G need not be periodic. G circle F will always be periodic. The period of G is same as G circle F. Okay, so here we have given G is a periodic. So here G is a periodic means G of x plus p is equal to G of x. G is a periodic means what? G of x plus p is equal to G of x. So f of G of x plus p is equal to f of G of x. Okay, all of you. So f of G of x plus p is equal to what? This is F circle G. What? This one. So F circle G is always what is periodic? F circle G will always be periodic. Okay, all of you. G is a periodic. F circle G will always be periodic is the answer. The given problem, if f of x is equal to sin x plus cos ax is periodic function, then these are the options given. So here you observe here the f of x is equal to sin x plus cos ax. Okay, here sin x period is what? Sin x period is 2 pi. So cos ax period is what? Period is 2 pi by mod a. 2 pi by mod a. Suppose here f of x comma g of x are there. F of x period p by q. G of x period is r by m. Then we have calculated like this, that is period of f of x plus g of x period is equal to what? LCM of p comma q by HCF of LCM of p comma r, HCF of q comma m. This one. Okay, here what this denominator is 1. So 2 pi LCM what? LCM of 2 pi comma 2 pi is equal to 2 pi. HCF of here this is denominator is 1 comma mod a is equal to. So here you see this is the mod a, this is 1. You see, if these two are rational numbers, then we take HCF. These two are rational numbers. If irrational numbers, we can't decide the HCF. So we say, so mod a is rational. A is the rational number. Rational number. So we say option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Option 3 is the answer.